This is Cocktail Lifestyle Exhibition no summer and wedding special show that is happening here at Seema Hall only for 3 days, 29th, 30th and 31st. Let's take a look at the collection that the brands have come with. So baharnu pehla start kariye. Nice 2 and 3 piece suit options over here. Kurtis joiti hoy to ema options છે. Coat sets માં આવી તો options છે. Men નું collection જોઈતું હોય તો men માટે polo shirts છે. They have bottoms, they have track pants, they have shorts, they have Bermuda pants as well, and these are all for a very reasonable rate. If you're looking for some jewelry options, તો jewelry માં આવી રીતે options જોવા મળશે તમને. So options like these. They also have options when it comes to skin and hair care products. Alright, moving inside થોડું કઈ બીજા jewelry માં જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં options છે. Lucknowi chicken ka hair care and skin care products જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options available છે. They have shampoos, they have oils, creams છે એમની પાસે. If you're looking for nice chaniya cholis તો એમાં options છે. These are all in mall. They also have some kurta options that 1500 માં છે. Tarot card reading છે અહીંયા. They have bracelets as well. Okay, they have malas. Jewelry options માં બહુ જ બધા pieces છે. Some wrist belts. Statement pieces પણ છે. Cute kids collection જોઈતું હોય તો kids માટે બી ઘણા જ બધા options છે. Just take a look. And these are all very soft fabrics, very breathable fabrics. ચણિયા ચોલીસ પણ જોઈતી હોય for kids તો એમાં પણ options છે. Festive wear નું collection છે. They have blouses for adults. Okay. So blouses માં બી ઘણા જ બધા options છે અને પાછળ ચણિયાસ પણ છે એની પાસે like these. Right. If you want some soft toys, the soft toys નું પણ collection છે અહીંયા. They have rings, they have watches.
પેલું ગુજરાતીમાં કરી
Okay, earrings and options છે like these.
બોર્ડ
Bracelets માં છે. Bangles માં છે. And of course they have options in nice short tops, kurtas and board sets as well. If you're looking for nice spaghetti options, તો એમાં options આવી રીતે તમને જોવા મળશે. Lots of stalls that have 2 and 3 piece suit options available over here. You take a look at a few. Okay, options like these. Moving on to jewelry. This brand is running offers, so buy one at 50, buy two at 80 only for this particular box. Okay, they have bags and portly options as well. Rings જોઈતી હોય, earrings જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. And they have some anti-tarnish jewelry available. They have a bracelet cum watch. Okay. Moving on, if you're looking for some bottoms, so up to 5XL સુધીના bottoms છે એમની પાસે. Alright. And they also have some tops and t-shirts. Starting with jewelry માં ઘણા જ બધા options છે like these to choose from. Nice dainty pieces as well. Rings માં options છે. Pendant sets જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ ઘણા જ બધા options તમને અહીંયા જોવા મળશે. They also have Korean night suits over here. એમાં પણ ઘણા જ બધા colors છે, lots of different patterns. So options like these. Okay. You can see more options over here as well. If you're looking for quad set options, તો એમાં options છે. Kurta pants માં પણ options એમની પાસે available છે. They also have dresses like these. Okay, so some nice casual wear dresses. Alright, moving on to jewelry again. તો jewelry માં પાછા options જોઈતા હોય એમાં options છે. They have something like this as well. Minimal માં જોઈતું હોય, થોડું heavy જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. Diamond look like પણ છે. Western wear માં options જોઈતા હોય તો western wear માં ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. They have some nice tops, shirts like these. Okay, short tops માં આવી રીતે પણ options જોવા મળશે. Dress materials જોઈતા હોય તો lots of options when it comes to hatwork na dress materials. They have more options available over here as well. Coming to bandhej, બાંધણી નું collection જોઈતું હોય તો બાંધણી નું પણ collection છે, અજરક નું પણ છે. Okay, we'll take a look. So dupattas છે, something in white and maroon as well. Okay. Okay. And they also have options like these when it comes to dress materials, different colors, different patterns. If you're looking for options like these when it comes to dresses, okay, kurtas ma options joita hoy. If you're looking for three-piece suits, so ema options available hai. And they have a lot more options for you to choose from over here. They have cord sets as well. Lucknowi chicken curry ma options joita hoy to ema bhi ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. They have options like these as well. But a nice Indo-Western cut સાથે છે. And they have some short tops available. Options like these. Okay. If you're looking for again nice 2 and 3-piece suits, short tops joita hoy, cord sets joita hoy to ema options hai. Also you can see people have already started shopping from here. Coming to jewelry, again more jewelry options available. Lots of pieces. Something like this as well, choker style. Again, if you're looking for some jewelry options, so they have options. They have some fancy sunglasses as well. They also have some denim pieces and they have dresses available as well, like these. Okay. More jewelry options available over here. Some nice Kashmiri earrings as well. Koi heavy ma joitu hoy to ema પણ ઘણા બધા options છે. If you're looking for kids sunglasses, if you're looking for watches no collection, એ બધું જ તમને અહીંયા જોવા મળશે. They have more sunglasses for adults as well available over here. If you're looking for skincare options, okay. So skincare products here, you can come and try these as well. Okay. And if you want some mukbaz options, તેમાં પણ આવી રીતે તમને options જોવા મળશે. લડ્ડુ ગોપાલ પોશાકમાં options જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options છે. They have some home decor items like these as well. Wall hangingsમાં જોઈતું હોય, તોરણ જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં options available છે. And they have more options over here as well. Okay, moving on. If you want some nice options in kurta pant sets, 3-piece suit ma joitu hoy, cord set ma joitu hoy to ema options છે with nice detailing options like these. Okay. And they have options like these as well. Okay, moving on. If you're looking for some nice short tops, if you're looking for something in anarkali style, the ema options available here. They have something in spaghetti as well. You take a look at a few options. Okay. If you're looking for some hair accessories, the kids need hair accessories છે, adults માટેના options છે. Hair clips માં બહુ જ બધા options છે. They have scrunchies as well. Keychains જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options છે. They have jeans, they have t-shirts, they have trousers like these. Okay. Coming to bags, માં options જોઈતી હોય તો એ છે. Jewelry માં આવી રીતે options જોવા મળશે. And they have keychain options and thoda mirrors માં પણ options આવી રીતે છે. Okay. સાડીઝ જોઈતી હોય તો સાડીઝમાં બી ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. અજરકમાં ઓપ્શન્સ છે like these. They have trousers and bottoms. અલગ અલગ કલર્સમાં ઓપ્શન્સ છે. તમારા સાઇઝના હિસાબેથી તમને મળી જશે. And they have some beautiful saree options available over here like these.